Namaste Students. Welcome to today's lesson on the spatial blueprint of Rajasthan and analytical atlas of location, extent, boundaries, and geographical anomalies. This topic is very important for your competitive examinations. Let us begin by understanding Rajasthan's position on the global grid. Rajasthan is geographically anchored in the northeast hemisphere. It serves as the strategic northwestern frontier of the Indian subcontinent and the southwestern edge of the Asian landmass. You can see here three contexts: global context showing India's position, Asian continental context showing Rajasthan's location in Asia, and Indian national context showing Rajasthan in northwestern India. Now we will study the vertical axis of Rajasthan. The state extends 826 kilometers from north to south, creating a latitudinal gap of 7 degrees and 9 minutes. The northernmost point is Kota village in Sri Ganganagar district, located at 30 degrees 12 minutes north latitude. The southernmost point is Borkunda village in Banswara district at 23 degrees 3 minutes north latitude. An important geographical feature, the Tropic of Cancer, passes through Banswara district. On June 21st, the summer solstice, direct sunrays fall over Banswara, making it the state's longest day with 13 hours and 27 minutes of daylight. Kushalgarh is the closest city to this climate-defining latitude. Remember these facts for your examination. Moving to the horizontal axis, Rajasthan's east-west extent is 869 kilometers, with a longitudinal gap of 8 degrees and 47 minutes. The westernmost point is Katra village in Jaisalmer district at 69 degrees 30 minutes east longitude. The easternmost point is Silna village in Dholpur district at 78 degrees 17 minutes east longitude. Here is an interesting fact for your exams. Because of this vast width, there is an exact time delay of 35 minutes and 8 seconds for sun travel from east to west. This happens because 1 degree of longitude equals 4 minutes of Earth's rotation. So Rajasthan's vast width creates a distinct localized time delay from its eastern to western borders. Now let us understand the geometric heart of Rajasthan. The intersection of the state's latitudinal and longitudinal extremes converges in Nagaur district, anchoring the state's vast rhomboid geometry. The four extreme points are north, Kota, south, Borkunda, west, Katra, and east, Silna. All these extremes meet at the center in Nagaur district. Two important locations here are Lampolai, the traditional mid-village, and Gagrana, the satellite survey center. This is a frequently asked question in competitive exams. Let us now understand Rajasthan's magnitude and scale from a global perspective. Rajasthan's total area is 3,42,239 square kilometers, or 1,32,139 square miles. This represents 10.41% of India's total area and 0.25% of the world's land area. To help you understand the scale, Rajasthan is equal in size to 1 Germany, or 1 Japan, or 1 Finland, or 1 Norway. It is equal to 5 times Sri Lanka, 2 times Britain, and 17 times Israel. Important context note: Rajasthan has been India's largest state by area since November 1, 2000, when Madhya Pradesh was disintegrated. Remember this date for your exams. Moving to morphological identity, Rajasthan's overall shape follows Th. Handley's rhombus or kite classification. The largest districts by area are Jaisalmer, Bikaner, Barmer, and Jodhpur. You can remember them by the abbreviation JBBJ. The smallest districts are Dholpur, Dausa, Dungarpur, and Pratapgarh, abbreviated as DDDP. The morphology gallery shows interesting shapes. Hanumangarh district looks like a dog, Sikar looks like a chair, Dausa resembles a bow and arrow, and Chittorgarh looks like a horseshoe. These visual associations help in map identification questions. Now we study Rajasthan's boundary system. The state has a total perimeter of 5,920 kilometers. Out of this, 82% or 4,850 kilometers is interstate boundary with other Indian states, and 18% or 1,070 kilometers is international boundary with Pakistan. Out of Rajasthan's districts, 28 districts form the outer shield of the state. The breakdown is: 3 districts have only international borders, 23 districts have only interstate borders, and 2 districts, Sri Ganganagar and Barmer, share both international and interstate boundaries. This is important for border-related questions in your exams. Let us understand the Radcliffe line, which is the western international frontier. The international border with Pakistan measures 1,070 kilometers and is called the Thar Gold. 5 Rajasthan districts touch this border. First Sri Ganganagar with Hindumakot, second Bikaner, third Phalodi which has the shortest border, fourth Jaisalmer which has the longest border, and fifth Barmer with Bakhasar. This border was delimited on August 17, 1947. Sri Ganganagar serves as the nearest district headquarters to the border, Bikaner is the farthest headquarters on the border, and Dholpur is the farthest headquarters overall in the state. The border touches 9 Pakistani districts across Punjab province and Sindh province. Now we study interstate neighbors. Rajasthan shares borders with 5 neighboring states. Listed by border length, first Madhya Pradesh with 1,600 kilometers, the longest. Second Haryana with 1,262 kilometers. Third Gujarat with 1,022 kilometers. Fourth Uttar Pradesh with 877 kilometers. Fifth Punjab with only 89 kilometers, the shortest. Key distinction to remember, Jhalawar district shares the absolute longest interstate boundary with Madhya Pradesh, while Barmer shares the absolute shortest with Gujarat, despite Barmer being the largest district area-wise on the interstate border. This is a tricky exam question. Let us understand border intersections and dual state links. There are 2 categories here. Category 1 Dual State Joints, Hanumangarh touches Punjab and Haryana. Deek touches Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Dholpur touches Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Banswara touches Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Category 2 The International Interstate Nexus, Sri Ganganagar connects Pakistan internationally with Punjab at interstate level. Barmer connects Pakistan internationally with Gujarat at interstate level. Explanatory note, these 6 districts act as transitional anchors for the state's geography, bridging multiple political jurisdictions simultaneously. Now an interesting geographical anomaly. Kota and Chittorgarh are the only 2 districts to touch the same neighboring state, Madhya Pradesh, twice. This presents unique administrative topographies. Kota shows an undivided dual touch with Madhya Pradesh. Chittorgarh shows a dismantled dual touch, with Bhilwara district in between the 2 touching points. This is a unique geographical feature important for your exams. Moving to internal centrality. While boundary districts look outward, Jaipur serves as the ultimate internal nexus. Jaipur shares its borders with a maximum of 8 other districts. These are Didwana Kuchaman, Sikar, Kotputli Bera, Alwar, Dausa, Tonk, Savai Madhopur, and Ajmer. This makes Jaipur the most geographically integrated region in Rajasthan. Remember 8 districts border Jaipur. This is frequently asked in examinations. Now we study a historical friction point. The border between Rajasthan and Gujarat at Mangarh Hill in Banswara district remains a point of geographical dispute. The site holds deep historical importance. It is known for the tragic Mangarh massacre that occurred on November 17, 1913. This event anchors the geography in human history and is important for both history and geography sections of your competitive exams. Finally, we see the complete spatial blueprint of Rajasthan. This shows the complete district map with all neighboring regions. Rajasthan covers 3,42,239 square kilometers, representing 10.41% of India's total area. All 33 districts are clearly marked along with neighboring states Pakistan, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat. Thank you for studying with us today. Make sure to revise these geographical facts regularly for your competitive examinations. Focus on the numerical data, district names, and boundary lengths. All the best for your preparation.